Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to be painting some pumpkins for the Halloween season. I'm going to be doing my take on the terracotta pumpkin trend that's going viral everywhere, kind of like a Pottery Barn inspired dupe. Mine turned out rustic, distressed, just how I like it. So here I am using some Rust-Oleum warm caramel spray paint from Walmart. I got these little foam pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, those green ones from Hobby Lobby, and I got some from Walmart. The topiaries or the stat pumpkins here actually came from Target. What I loved about those is the front is jack-o'-lantern, on the back I can just turn them around and use them for fall. They're just plain. So I'm putting this base layer on first. I love this color, just deepen it up, make it more rustic, spookier, more moody. Just suits my vibe a lot more. So in the later clips here, I'm going to be showing you how I actually do the distressing and the more terracotta age look. But for now, we got to get this base layer on. So let's paint pumpkins, y'all. I bet y'all are thinking, dang, this girl's still painting pumpkins? Still painting, guys, but do stay tuned. Later, I do have some clips of me fixing up some flying witch hats and floating Harry Potter inspired candles. That is also going to be part of my Halloween outdoor decor as well. So I'm going to show you how I put those together later on. Stay tuned. And I know I look so dumb and it's dangerous to have lit candles, and I realized that, and that's why I went and blew them out. But these are citronella candles. The bugs are awful. So I had those lit, but then I realized I was spraying spray paint that's highly flammable. Oh my goodness. I have some blonde moments, even though I am brunette. No offense to my blondes. But see the difference? I like that color a lot better. The sun just went down. Things are getting spooky, guys. We were literally out here all evening into the night painting pumpkins, but it was so much fun. Like I said, I had my sidekick with me. We were just jamming to Monster Mash and Werewolves of London. It was so fun. But as you can see here, I'm just taking a peachy ivory tone color shade and just highlighting in those little dimples there just to emphasize that. And while the paint is still wet, I'm going to be taking my handy dandy baking soda there, sprinkling that on top and blending. I tried blending first with the brush, but I realized that my fingers actually worked a lot better. I'm going to be doing this to all the pumpkins, guys. It's the same technique. And the more you do it, the better you get at it. Some of my pumpkins had a lot more distressing, or had a lot more baking soda, some had less, but that's the beauty of it. I mean, it's supposed to be messy. You really can't mess this up. If I can do it, you can do it. If you end up thinking that you have too much on some of your pumpkins, you can always take a wet paper towel, even if after it's dried, and remove some of it. But I love the way they look. Tell me what you think in the comments. Ta-da! And here they are. I love them. 1,000 pumpkins later. But my little girl, she helped me paint these that night. We had a lot of fun doing it, and I think they turned out really good. And I'll have these for years to come. I can't wait to put these out on the front porch to show you guys how I'm going to style them up. But we are not done. We still got some more DIY Halloween decor coming next. Alright guys, for this DIY you are going to need a pretty thick size needle, some fishing line, and scissors, and some command hooks. All you're going to do is thread it to the top of the witch hats, tie you a little knot, and then thread it through the command hooks. I got this set off Amazon, and it came with everything I needed, and it was a pretty good deal, but I'm sure you could find all this stuff at the Dollar Tree and Walmart as well. You just tie it, and I know you should not use your teeth, but do as I say, not as I do, right? But yeah, I cannot wait to hang these up. Super simple, super easy, and it's super cute. Next, we have the floating candles inspired by the famous Harry Potter. This came with a super awesome wand to turn the lights on and off. My daughter loved it. As you can see, these lights are going crazy. They all took one AAA battery. I put those in ahead of time just to save some time. This came with the fishing line already attached, so all I did was kind of measure it up the size that I wanted for the length to hang, and then cut them down to size, and that is it, you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay tuned to watch me get all of these DIYs styled for a Halloween Decorate With Me coming soon. Bye, guys.